The Forge finally added AFK spots, but before I show you them, follow and like to support these videos. The first spot is in the Spider Cave. Follow where I go to know where the spots are. Note, all these spots are guaranteed spawns and take 30 to 40 seconds to respawn again. The next spot, or should I say spots, are located at the peak. Both can spawn medium, large, and floating ice crystals and are guaranteed to spawn in the exact same spawns.